What's up guys, welcome back. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a minute. We were supposed to keep doing 2 videos a week, and then we got some snow and it kind of threw everything off. You can't really do much with the cars in the snow. We also didn't work on the engine last week because of the snow, but if you guys remember, we stripped down the intake manifold to get it ready for powder coat. I think like 3 or 4 days after that, we sent it off to powder coat, and literally the next day, it was completely done with the new color. This was a color that I kind of already had my mind set on. I still wanted your guys' opinions just to see if maybe there was another color out there that would look really well with the blue. But after looking at different colors, I thought that this one would be the best with the blue. I think it's gonna go really well with it. They're gonna complement each other. I'm just super stoked with this color. A lot of you guys also suggested this color, so that made me even more happy that I went with it. Here it is, the intake manifold, now powder coated in Gold-tastic. That's the name of this color. It came out so freaking good, guys. And for those of you who don't know, the STI intake manifolds come with that like red wrinkle coat, so it's texturized, and they did a high gloss clear coat on this, so now it's not only super shiny, but it's super smooth as well. You can kind of see the texture still underneath, but it's smooth to the feel. They also powder coated this bracket down here, which looks really nice, and also all of the heads of the bolts. I know we're gonna have to go back in and kind of sand down some of the surfaces here, but I think it came out really, really nice, guys. So I haven't showed Javi in person. This is his first time. Check it out, dude.
Oh, damn. It does have flakes.
See, it has a flake in the sun. So that's something I forgot to tell you guys. It does have a flake in it. What do you think?
Shit, that looks good.
Think it's gonna look good with the blue?
Yeah.
He did all of the heads of the bolts.
The OG.
Which is fine, but I was just telling them we're probably gonna have to sand down some of this, right?
For the grounds.
Yeah. But it came out good, dude. Even this little bracket right here.
Yeah, that's clean.
I'm excited, dude.
Oh yeah.
It does feel good to be back. Like I said, we skipped last week, so it's kind of felt like a really long time since we last worked on the engine. Unfortunately, the intake manifold will not be going on the engine today. We still got to wait on the TGVs, fuel rails, and all of that stuff before we obviously put it back on. But I thought it'd be cool to bring it along and kind of mock it up, show you guys what it's gonna look like on the engine. So let's put it on top and give you guys kind of an idea of what it's gonna look like. It looks kind of funny right now, obviously. I just put some boxes and covered it with some towels because the TGVs sit right there. You can't really sit the intake manifold all the way down, but that's just to give you guys an idea. Looks really good though, guys. I think I made a good decision with the gold. Check it out. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. And then this thing is gonna sit right there somewhere.
It's gonna look good.
Dude, I like the black. Like,
Yeah.
it goes well with the gold, huh? So a lot of you guys have been telling me that I need to get a bigger turbo now that I'm in there. And well, Javi, you want to tell them? I think it's time we tell them, dude.
Just a little baby.
Little upgrade.
Board warning.
We had to upgrade, dude. Everyone told me to upgrade, so
Yeah, why not?
this is the new turbo, guys,
It's gonna be
for
like,
the STI.
like right here, maybe. I don't know. Rock mounted turbo. What think it's on this?
Dude, look how fucking big that thing is, dude. That's actually for that truck, right, Javi?
Yeah, it's for this fucking behemoth.
So the first thing we're going to be doing today is reinstalling the header. My kit actually came with new gaskets, so we're going to throw those on beforehand. It would have been sick to have like a brand new polished header, but
yeah.
Oh well. So here is the old header. Doesn't look the best, but like I said, you're not going to be able to see it from underneath the car anyway. I'm going to ask Javi if we can fix that because you could actually hear it when I would drive the car. So I didn't know this, but this is supposed to be welded. That's why it's all loose like that. So we're gonna remove this up pipe, and shout out to Javi. He hooked me up with this Grimspeed up pipe. So we're gonna be throwing this on the header. So same thing as last time, Javi is going to get his little tool here and clean up the surfaces. So there it is uncleaned, and there it is cleaned. There we go. Old up pipe is off. Check out the difference. All right, header is going back on. Had some trouble fitting the first time, so we're gonna see if we can get it this time. All right, there we go. We also installed the old but new to me up pipe. Let's go ahead and tighten this thing down. Kind of ran into an issue when we were tightening this one right here. What happened, Javi?
I pulled the threads when we were tightening it.
So what, helicoil?
Luckily we have some helicoils. Just gotta drill it out a little bit bigger, measure it, and then we'll be good.
Alright, there it is, guys. Helicoil is in and stud is back on. Let's try this again. Thanks, Javi. There we go, no issues that time. Header is on. So I didn't film really any of this, but we got the turbo back on. Not fully. We're missing all of the nuts for some reason. Fucking Chino. Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't know though. But I'm gonna order some new nuts so you can mount the turbo up, but it's pretty much on there now. So that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna wrap this up. I hope you guys are excited to see the new color. It couldn't have came out better. I'm for sure gonna powder coat a couple more things in that same color, but if there's anything else that you guys recommend I should get powder coated, let me know because I'm gonna take everything all at once. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. We'll catch you in the next one.